Dear students, welcome. I'm going to show you the basics of how to use such online databases as EBSCO, LexisNexis, WorldCat, and also online bibliographic management software, RefWorks. Let's get started. First, when we begin our research, of course, we need to invoke a browser. It could be any browser you wish. Let's go use Google at this point. And we are at the library homepage right now, which is a default homepage here. If you are doing it from home, for instance, well, you might need to go to the MedGraver's website. That's one of the ways. mec.cuny.edu, one of the ways of accessing it. Then hit Enter key. On the college website, you find the library link, and then click into the library link. And basically you get to the same page, which you get here by the default. Now on this page, you will see Find Articles and a pull-down menu, select from popular databases. That's the most important link for our class, this pull-down menu. You click on it, and you can actually begin your search from here using some of these select databases. Or another approach you could take, or sometimes you will have to take, is clicking on Search All. It brings you to the licensed resources, online databases that we have available for the MedGraver's college students and for CUNY students. And some of them are CUNY databases available for all CUNY colleges, and some are only available for MedGraver's students accessing them through this page. If you'll be accessing these databases from home, there will be one more additional step, which you are not going to see now because we so that we cannot invoke it. Here we have direct access, but from home you'll need to use your library barcode number, which is in the lower right corner of your ID. If you are MedGraver student, if you are from another CUNY campus, and oftentimes we get students from other CUNY campuses in these classes, then look for the number associated maybe with the library or with the barcode on your card. That's why sometimes, by the way, it's called a barcode number. On MedGraver's ID, it's a separate number in the lower right corner, and the barcode is actually on the other side of the ID. Okay, so I guess it explains what number to use. Also keep in mind that your ID needs to be validated once every semester. In order to do that, you go to the new building, to the basement, to the security office. They stamp it for the current semester, and then you bring it to the circulation desk in the library, where they actually activate your account. And you're expected to do it once every semester. Otherwise, if your account expired, it might give you an error message that your account doesn't exist. So please make sure you take care of that. That's from home. And also, I actually talked about it in the detail in the intro session that is also available online. For RefWorks, for the online bibliographic management software, there might be additional screen with, actually it'll be on the same screen with your logon and password for the group code. And group code you find in the Blackboard, in the web links section. No, in the messages, right, man? In the announcements. You find it in the announcements section. You find it in the announcement sections, and it's case sensitive. Keep it in mind, and I talked again in the introductory part, I talked about it in detail. Now let's talk about starting the research. Like sometimes this process could be impromptu, spontaneous. You don't really plan how to start. But if you do plan how to start, it's better if you start with creating a folder in your RefWorks account. RefWorks online bibliographic management software. And like you have a separate folder for every research. Separate folder for papers, separate folders maybe for some presentations that require bibliographies, and I'll show it to you in a second. Okay, these are the licensed resources again. At the end of the first section, you can see RefWorks. Everybody can see the link? Then you click on it, and you get to this website. This is the front page of the RefWorks. You probably don't have accounts right now, so please click on sign up for a new account and create a new account. I'll give you a few minutes for that.